How to earn AMM rewards on Aquarius. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, log into your Aqua network. It is not necessary. You can also do it without even logging into your Aquarius website. So when you scroll down on the rewards page, you will be able to find different pairs and select any of the pair that you want to use for the AMM reward. Suppose I want to use the pair of XLM and aqua for my AMM reward, which is giving out around 217k aqua per day. So what I have to do is just log into this website called StellarX. I can use it to participate in AMM rewards. Just log into this particular website using your Lobster account, and after that you can just simply click on this option of AMM and then click on this option of liquidity. And when you scroll down, you will be able to find the option of add liquidity. Just click on it. Now select the pairs that you want to use. In our case, we want to use XLM and aqua. So we will just select XLM over here and also aqua. And now type the amount that you want to put in this particular liquidity and click on this option of add liquidity. This way you will be getting aqua rewards per hour, and the more liquidity you will put, the better your rewards will be. You will also be getting the fees for every transaction that is happening between aqua and XLM pair. So you will also be getting the fees amount as a reward when you move out of this liquidity. But as for the aqua rewards, you will be getting aqua rewards per hour. But also make sure that you are aware of impermanent loss, which will basically reduce your capital and you won't even realize until the loss is done. So beware of all the risk associated with AMM rewards before you do it. And in case if you are looking for some consultancy, then you can just simply email me or comment down below. I will be happy to help you out. And you can pay me in XLM in order to get the consultancy. But why you should consult me? Because I have been farming Aquarius rewards since the inception of this particular project, and it's been quite a long, and I have learned all the lessons on my own and also earned a huge amount of money from Aquarius using all the methods. So I will be able to help you out. And if this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.